Okay, welcome back. This time I'm going to show you the preview for Berlin. There will be a time travel aspect to this mod, and it will involve you going back into time to stop the Enclave from blowing the hell out of Berlin and killing a bunch of Russian soldiers to change the course of world history in their favor. What you're seeing right now is the design for the National Socialist Museum. It's at the end of the Germania Fairway, which if you study the design for Spears Germania, you understand exactly what this building is. The design for Berlin itself will be based upon Germania, which will be this massive world capital that they had planned to build. I just went along with the theory that, basically the timeline for the Fallout universe is totally screwed up, so the Germans actually built this city. And now you have the Battle of Berlin going on, and you arrive in Berlin just as the Russian soldiers are going to toe-to-toe with the Nazis. As you can see from the design, there will be swastikas. Right now I'm using the static flag version. I will probably retexture the Bond's animated flag and replace these, which will be, the better part of 5 minutes of work. What you're seeing right now is the main fairway. It cuts down the north-south axis of the city, and for those of you that are familiar with this design, there are two axes for the Germanian design. The first cuts north to south, the other one cuts west from east. The west-east design incorporates the Brandenburg Gate and the Prussian War Memorial. I'm not sure if I'll be doing those two specific things for this mod. Probably not. What you are seeing me walk around right now is the, I believe it's the Triumph Arch they had planned to build. This is as close as I could get it in the game, so sorry. And of course, there is the underground highway that many of you guys, here we go, here's the east and west axis right here. But the underground highway that many of you take for granted was actually part of Spears' original design for Germania. And of course, I incorporated it into the fairway, which is where it's located right below us right now. In fact, you can see the entrance to the underground highway right here. There will be collapsed road segments that you get to traverse. Eventually, you will be going through this really cool city, Berlin, basically. I have plans for you to do this sort of epic shootout. You've got to storm the city and prevent a nuke from going off and killing all the Russian soldiers. That was pretty much the infamous plan for the the Enclave. They're just going to change the course of history by doing that and make things better for them in the future. You probably noticed some lag issues. This is something I will address later on. Mainly, this is due to the fact that all buildings so far for Berlin are completely functional. You'll also notice that I imported the BLD 12 pieces. I know you're going to cry murder because it's technically illegal, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass this off to the Faction Wars development team. They are going to completely edit the BLD 12 pieces and give them a more National Socialist design, so that it's the legality issues are somewhat, well, they're different because they will be a completely unique piece when they are finished editing them. Now, around the Reichstag, that's pretty much it. You will see that I built a trench. It's just nothing really that impressive. I was going to make the approach to the German Parliament building a little bit more impressive, but this is what I eventually settled on. And of course, surrounding the German Parliament building, you have what's called a free fire zone. If you get anywhere near this building, they're going to hit you with artillery. Sort of be like storming Ellis all over again. This is the Parliament building. This will be your final objective. You get to storm it. I'm contemplating if I want to put a Hitler bunker down there, have fun, kill Hitler, yada. But this is the base design for Berlin. I have a lot more planned for this city. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to do. In fact, I'm going to pass this off to the Faction Wars team so that they can pick and choose and tell me what they want. You'll probably have a scene where you have to defend the Brandenburg Gate with the Russians. I'm not sure if that'll make it into the final mod. But if it does, you're going to have fun killing a German tank offensive, and it's going to be interesting. Anyway, this is the design for Berlin. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.